In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the customer account shortcode to your North Commerce store. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Pages, and I'm going to create a new page. In this example, I'm just going to use the standard block editor, and we'll call this My Account here. And what I'll do is I'll add a group block, and I'll add just a column. I guess I'll just add a single column here. And then I'll add a shortcode block. And the shortcode is really simple. It's just NC for North Commerce, my-account. If you don't know what the shortcodes are that we have available for you, if you're using something that isn't the block editor, or in this case, for my account, we're still working on the block, you would use a shortcode. But if you don't know, you can go to docs.northcommerce.com and find all the shortcodes there. Let's make this a little nicer here in terms of the style for the width. Okay, so this looks good. So what's going to happen is I'm going to click on View Page here, and you're going to see nothing at all. So what happens if a WordPress user doesn't have any association with a North Commerce customer, then the shortcode won't show anything at all. So we have no opinions on whether or not a customer is logged out. We leave that up to you to display whatever information you want the customer to see. Maybe it's a link to the registration page. You can handle that in the block editor and in whatever builder you're using. But if a logged in user goes to the My Account page and it's not showing, then it just means that there's no customer associated with that WordPress user. So I'll go to a new tab here, and I have this logged in user here. So I have this just to confirm that we're logged in. And then if I navigate to My Account and I hit enter, then here I see the North Commerce My Account area. So this looks good. Just for the sake of my sanity here, I'm going to just bring a little spacing. That'll look nicer. Perfect. So we have the order history here. So in this case, I have only one order, and this was marked as created or unpaid. As of right now, we are going to list every single created order a customer has. It could be created and unpaid, which basically means it was abandoned. In the future, we'll add features so that people can purchase their created or abandoned items in the future if they have an account. So I can view this order here, so I can see it was created. In the status of created, the order number, the order place date, the total, and all of that information. So you'll also notice the North Commerce account page is super, super fast. There's no loads in between everything here. We handle everything on the front end at first, and then after that, we take care of it from there. So you don't have any page reloads, or it's not super slow or anything like that. If I want to update my information, I can do that. So let's just say my name is now Johnny Tsunami. I can update my email as well. I click Save Information. Then you get the information was saved successfully, and that all looks good. If I want to update my number, so 480-445-455-6212 or whatever, then that all looks good. So then I can also add the notifications area here. I can add a new address. I can set a default address if I have more than one. And then when I'm ready to log out, if I even care to do that, you can just click Log Out here, and that'll redirect straight back to your home page. This is basically North Commerce My Account page. If you have any questions or any specific requests about the account page, feel free to leave a comment below, and we would love to accommodate your request. And we already have plans to bring subscriptions, managing payment methods, and all sorts of other things to the account page as we go. This is just the first iteration and just the beginning of many, many more features that'll come with North Commerce. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.